Hey YouTube, it's Robert Hall, and in this video I'm going to give you a how-to guide on using the QT Series 2 lights from Godox. This is Godox's flagship model AC strobe. I have a review on this light as well as an introduction to all the different Godox Studio strobes, and you can check out either of those videos by clicking in the top right corner. The QT Series 2 is available in 3 different wattages. There's a 400, 600, and 1200 watt version. This video is on the QT600 version 2, so the 600 watt model, but the controls are the same on all 3 versions, so this was applicable to any of them. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, consider subscribing. Start by securing the flash to the stand and making sure that both mounts are tight. Remove the lamp cover and screw in the modeling lamp. Place a protective glass cover over both bulbs and make sure not to touch the flash tube. You can put on the included standard reflector or a Bowens mount modifier of your choice by lining up the 3 indents and turning it to the right. Plug in the power cable to the back of the unit and turn it on by putting the power switch to the right. The 1/4 inch sync jack allows you to plug in any type of receiver as well as plug directly into your camera via a PC sync to 1/4 inch cable. The USB port is for the Godox XT16 receiver if using with an older Godox trigger. Neither of these two are necessary when using with a 2.4 GHz X series transmitter, such as a Godox X Pro or Godox XT32 or Godox X1. The mode button allows you to switch between manual mode, high-speed sync mode, and multi or stroboscopic mode. You will see the T.1 flash duration at every power in the bottom right. In all modes, you can use the dial on the back to change your power setting or use an X series trigger to control power remotely. You can find a guide on using the X1T transmitter by clicking the link in the top right. For stroboscopic mode, you can change the power using the dial. If you click in set once, you will modify the hertz, which is the number of flashes per second. And if you click in set again, you can modify the total number of flashes. The maximum is 30 flashes per second. The total maximum flashes is going to vary based on the power level of the device. So you can see if I max it out to 30 flashes, but then I increase the power, I'm going to start to decrease the total number of flashes the device is capable of. The S1 and S2 button is for optical slave to trigger the light from the flash of a different light. In S1, it will trigger optically from the first flash it sees. In S2, it will trigger optically but ignore a pre-flash from the master. You can see whether you're in S1 or S2 up top. Keep S1, S2 off if you are triggering it wirelessly. The buzz button controls whether or not the flash will emit sound both when you are controlling the flash and when the flash recycles. Press the mod button once to turn on the modeling lamp. Press it again to change the power using the dial. Hold the modeling lamp button in order to turn it off. You can press the test button to fire the flash. If the test button is blinking, that means that you need to dump the flash in order to accurately fire this power level. This will happen anytime you decrease the power. However, if you wait long enough, it will reset itself without hitting the test button. Press the top left button to turn wireless receiving on or off. Keep it on when using a 2.4 GHz X series trigger, and turn it off if using the sync port. The button below that controls groups and channels. Press the button once, which will advance the group and then give you control to advance the groups using the dial. Press set to confirm. Hold the button to change the channel using the dial. Press set to confirm. To trigger remotely, make sure your channel and group match up with your trigger. Holding this top left button will open up the custom functions. F1 is for speed mode. When on, the flash durations will be shorter, and when off, the flash durations will be longer. However, the color will be far more stable. Press set to advance. F2 is for delaying the flash trigger signal. F3 controls the mask function, which you can see how it works by clicking the link in the top right corner. F4 controls how the modeling lamp behaves when flashing. When on, the modeling lamp will stay on. When off, the modeling lamp will turn off when the flash fires. You can hit Custom Function button again to return to the main menu.